Okay, everybody, Stephen Key here, and once again, I have Courtney. Okay, you guys, just so you know, let's talk about what Courtney does. Courtney was a student. Years ago, she was a student, and she was so passionate about helping inventors, and she really understood the whole licensing business model. She became a coach, and she's one of our best coaches. Don't share this with the other ones, but she's one of our best coaches at inventRight. But the amazing thing about Courtney is that she does a lot of stuff. And she's always about educating herself and her students and us at inventRightTV. So Courtney, thank you for coming on today.
Absolutely. Super stoked to be here, Stephen.
Okay. What are we talking about today? What excites you today?
Yes. So I found a couple books that were pretty good that I looked at, and I'm like, okay, there's more to this. I bought them, and holy cow, they are amazing books for kids who want to get into inventing. Pretty wild.
Okay.
I've got two here. This is the first one. The book series is called Abby Invents, and it goes through the process, talking about patents and blueprints, drawings, really, really beautiful graphics that they have throughout it. Pretty amazing book you can see here. This one's called the Foldibot, which is Abby invents a laundry folding machine.
Wait. Who is this? Wait a minute. Who is this for? What age is this for?
That's a good question. I think it's, essentially this can be read from a parent or an educator to kids. But I would say it's probably maybe a 7-year-old or an 8-year-old could read this one up.
You're talking about patents and inventing. That gets get complicated or not?
It does get complicated, but the way she writes it is very, very seamless. It's beautiful, really easy to understand, and it makes it fun to learn the process.
Okay. So who would buy this book for just a minute? Am I a parent that has kids or I want to help kids? Who buys this book?
Yeah, so educators, people who are interested in STEM and STEAM, parents who want to teach their kids about the invention process, mainly about creativity.
Oh.
And that's what really caught my eye at the beginning with this book called The Unbreakable Crayons. And so it goes through the process of Abby breaking her crayons all the time, and it wasn't really made for hands who aren't very good at holding crayons at first. So she's like, why isn't there an actual possibility to create something? Like, can I create? I can't create a product. Can I? Like, I'm only a kid. But she can, and it goes through the process of how she creates them.
Now, tell me this, Courtney. You read the book. You understand it because you're an inventor. You're helping other inventors. Is it accurate? Is it real or what? Come on, do a review here.
It's a good question. It is accurate to starting a business, venturing. It goes through it pretty well. It goes through actually a fair amount of market research and how to do market research as a kid, which was, I would say, a little bit shocking for me that it went through that. I figured that just would not be talked about in the book, but a large part of it is talking about that market research before even considering getting a patent.
Okay. All right. What's the other book you have there? Because there's two, right?
Yes. So there's the Foldibot, and then there's the Unbreakable Crayons.
Okay.
Both are phenomenal, and she is a patent holder, Dr. Arlyne Simon, and she's, of course, an author. She had an illustrator, and she's also a biochemical engineer.
Oh.
Pretty wild. She's very passionate about K-5 STEM and inventor education.
Okay.
And she has a couple other things as well, including this shirt.
Now, wait a minute. How did you get this shirt now? I don't get it.
Yes, so I loved her first book, The Unbreakable Crayons, and I just did a little bit of research into her, see what she was all about. Do we have the same values? Looked at her website and got the other book, and then saw this shirt and thought I had to get this shirt, which says, this is what an inventor looks like.
Oh, I love it. Well, wonderful. Thank you very much for doing that. Kind of a different type of book review, but if you're a parent, if you're a teacher, and if you want to help the next generation on how to invent right, Courtney recommends these books. So put them, let's see them again. Let's see them up again. All right, got it? All right, we'll have all the information down below. Please help the next generation learn all about inventing. This is Stephen Key with our wonderful coach, Courtney. Thank you for coming on.
Thanks, Stephen.